Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a very important live stream, which is about Ruchi Soya FPO. Right? This is the very first time that I recall in the history of IPO or FPO live streams that I've done till date, that any company was asked to do such a thing that happened yesterday in case of uh, this entire thing that happened. That so now I think it's set. So those who don't know about this, let me just quickly sum it up for you. What was the scene for Ruchi Soya? Apparently, some SMS were floated wherein it was mentioned that some price targets were given. Acha, to be really honest, neither I have seen the exact SMS, nor I believe I just tried to search on the net as well that if someone has shown the actual SMS which was floated. So this is just based on whatever news we are reading on the websites or through someone else's through the media or on television. So here it was mentioned that there were some SMSs which were floated when it was mentioned that if you bid for our FPO, then you make a lot of money and all that. But again, I'm mentioning I have not read the exact SMS. Okay, now could this have happened that based on this SMS, retail individual investors might have invested? Possible. Why not? There can be many retail individual investors who don't understand the business, who don't read the financial statements, who don't check the valuation, and just based on a specific SMS, they might invest. Possibly, I'm not saying no. Okay, but then when I was reading this CNBC, I'll just try to zoom in. Uh, Mr. Jain Gupta, he has mentioned that. Achha, who is he? By the way, Jain Gupta is the former ED, SEBI, and MD, who has mentioned that he doesn't recall such a similar action which happened in the past. He has given a very important point. Gupta believes that SEBI should not have given the choice of withdrawing bids to institutional and HNI investors. Okay, so who can get misled? Some retail individual investors can get misled, some employees can get misled, but I really don't believe, I completely agree with Mr. Gupta that I don't feel HNIs might have invested based on some SMS, or some institutional investors might have invested based on some SMSs which are floating in the market. So exactly, that's what he says. It's only the gullible retail investors and maybe some employees under pressure that might have done that. Okay. Now, what is he saying? That even he has not yet seen any advertisement, didn't see any advertisement informing investors on the option to withdraw bids. So everywhere in the news we know that yesterday, today, and tomorrow, 3 days period has been given to withdraw your bids. But exactly where has this advertisement been placed to withdraw the bids? Even I was not able to figure out. I am trying to search for it since morning. Second thing, I searched over the internet as to how to withdraw the bid. To be honest, till now I don't have an answer for that. Even I have applied, and if you have seen my live stream yesterday, I have applied through all the 5 Demat accounts. Okay, now if I were to withdraw my bid, then I don't know how to withdraw the bid because I have tried to search, but I did not find. Acha, for whom was I searching is the next question. Was I searching for myself, or am I searching for general people? I mean, other than me. Okay, for all my viewers, for all my family members of YouTube, of Instagram, all the social media handles, because there are many people who would want to know what is the process for that. Okay, question is, are other people withdrawing? So for that, let me show you one more money control specific news that I read right now. Wherein no, not this one. I'll show this to you as well. But this is first ET. I will show you. ET mentions that this has just come in at 11:48 a.m. Okay, barely 15-20 minutes ago, where it mentions that retail NI employee quotas see withdrawal after SEBI order. Okay, and here it mentions that yes, cumulative retail demand fell to 0.39 times from zero point 0.9 times the previous day. Quota reserve for NIIs subscribed 9 times compared to 11.75 times. Even quota for employees stood at 4.56 times compared to 7.76 times. So people are withdrawing. Okay, are people withdrawing? Answer is yes. And if they are withdrawing based on the SMS, then I feel it is fair enough. Okay, for those who have not understood the business, for those who have not checked the financials, I think they should withdraw. If they had invested based only and only on this thing, that okay, there was an SMS floated which was like an unsolicited advertisement stating that this is a very good opportunity, itna paisa milega. Okay, based only on one thing, if they have invested, I think such people, if they are taking such a decision of withdrawing the bids, that is correct. Okay, now what does Ruchi Soya stand on that? Ruchi Soya has filed an FIR against the unsolicited messages advertising companies FPO. Okay, so here and they have mentioned that we understand that these SMSs were in circulation, and FIR has been already lodged by the company, and okay. So this is apparently what the SMS was about. See, this reads that great news for all beloved members of Patanjali Parivar, a good investment opportunity in Patanjali Group. The Patanjali Group company, Ruchi Soya Industries, has opened up the FPO for retail individual investors. Issue closes on 28 March. This is available at 615 to 650 per share. That is discount of about 30% to market price. Okay. Apparently, this was the crux of the SMS, right? Now, with this as a basic understanding, why was there a problem? Let's understand. It's very clearly given in the rules of listing. Okay, whenever ICDR करके होता है, issue of capital disclosure requirements, where it is mentioned that you are allowed to talk about something which is there in the RHP and DRHP. You are not allowed to talk about anything which is not mentioned in the RHP and DRHP. And if you do that, then SEBI can take action against that entity, right? So based only on this, or it is at a discount of 30% to market price, and chalo, I should invest based only on this SMS. If someone has invested, I think it's fair enough that these people are withdrawing. But big question is, should anyone and everyone withdraw? Okay, uh, voice issue. Voice is not clear. Um Voice is clear only. Okay, I'm so sorry. I will just try and see after the stream is over whether was clear or not. I just stop sending so many messages, guys. It's so difficult for me to read through the messages also. Okay, chalo. So last point I wanted to tell everyone is that those who have seen my live stream, okay, I'm repeating, those who have seen my live stream on FPO, those who have understood the business model, okay, you can take your own decision based on your understanding. Okay, I'll tell you my own thought process. Number one, I really liked the business model. I had the opportunity to talk to the promoter group people as well to understand the business in a better way. Okay. Number three, I have checked the financials and I believe that financials are not bad, is my understanding. Okay. Is your risk taking capacity and my risk taking capacity different? Obviously, yes. Every person's risk taking capacity is different, right? But I can hold on to my investment for a comparatively longer term, right? So even if in the short term there is a jerk, will I be able to sustain that jerk? Answer is obviously yes. So am I going to withdraw my bid from any of the accounts? My answer is no. I'm not going to withdraw from the bid based on two, three important reasons. Number one, I believe that the business is good. Number two, whatever I read about their edible oil business, whatever I read about the FMCG business, the biscuit business to be specific, I do believe in that. Number three, I did check the financials. There was an extraordinary exceptional items. I've also discussed that in my stream. Okay, and I believe that this should not be taken into consideration only, that one year exceptional pat, and I've not taken that into consideration. And last, I know that whatever the company financials I've analyzed it for myself. I believe I have the risk taking capacity to hold on to that shares, and that is the reason why I am not going to withdraw the bid for these shares FPO. Okay, any idea on how is it trading today? So I just tried to check how is it doing. Well, is it down and out? Today the share is trading almost 7% higher as compared to yesterday. Okay, today it is trading 7% higher as compared to yesterday. So there will be, I mean, see, the moment such news flow in, there are going to be some people who are going to be panicked. They would want to withdraw. There would be some people who might be like, Are, I'll use this as an opportunity to invest. There are going to be mixed reactions. Okay, So for those who joined in late, am I going to withdraw? No. Those who have invested based only and only on the SMS, if they don't understand the business, ideally such people should be withdrawing. If they have not understood the business, if they don't understand the financials, they should withdraw ideally. Okay. And last but not the least, I have already told you that as of now, as I'm doing the stream, I don't know the process of how to withdraw. But for your benefit, if the moment I understand the process, I will be posting that on my community tab post. For those who don't know what is a community tab post, I'm just quickly telling you how to check it. Okay, so I hope everyone now understands the importance of bell notification, because the moment I'm going to put the exact process for how to withdraw, you will be able to understand it. So you, if you go to my channel, you just see one tab here, which is the community tab. If you click here, that's where you will be able to see. This is where I might post about the process of withdrawal. Okay. So as and how I get to know about it, I will let you know. Don't worry on that. So this is the reason why I wanted to do this live stream, because I'd done one live stream. I'd done one video with Swami Ramdevji to understand the business. I'd done one live stream for the financials and valuation. And number three, Raj is asking, ma'am, can I put all the money in Ruchi Soya? No, Raj, that's a worst strategy that anyone can do. Investing entirely in one stock is a very, very, very bad idea. You have to have a diversification in your portfolio. Okay, please don't do that. No. Okay. And the moment I get to know about how to apply, don't worry, I will be posting that on the community tab. I hope everyone has understood my view, and I hope you also take a very much informed decision. The whole process, the whole thought process of our channel is to empower everyone. You must understand the views, and you should be able to have your own analytical mind to take your own decision, right? So I hope everyone will act very thoughtfully, very logically, and take your own decision, right? So I hope you enjoyed this small stream. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.